안녕하세요. 세종 마마예요. Okay, today I want to explain how to use 세탁기. 세탁기. 세탁, laundry, 기, machine. 세탁기에 대해서 let's learn. 공부해 볼게요. 세탁기 word. Are you ready to start? Okay, here we go. Okay, first let's see. 전원. 전원 is power button. If you click here, you can turn on the washing machine, 세탁기. And then if you want to turn off the 세탁기, you can press one more time. 전원 button, 전원, power button. Okay, next one. And this one is 동작. 동 is moving, action, moving action. If you want to press the 전원 button, and then you can lots of categorize like this, and then if you press this button, you can start operating your 세탁기. Okay, so right now, and there is another button. If you press one more time, and you can pause this washing machine. Pause button is 일시. 일시 means temporary. 정지, stop. Temporary, stop. So if you forgot some kind of laundry, then at the time you want to put just a clothes in this washing machine, at the time you can press this button, 일시 정지, pause button. Okay, so there are lots of categories. So let's check it out. The first one. First one is 급속 well-being. Well-being is English, you know. 급 is fast, quick. 속, speed, fast, speed, well-being. If you needed to wash your laundry very quickly, you can choose 급속 well-being. But categorize, you can twist like this, you can spin this button like that. Next one is 울. 울, don't cry. 울다, 울다. 울 is 울, W-O-O-L, 울. If you have just 울 is very sensitive, right? So if you want to wash ul textile, then you can choose this one. Next button is 손. 손 is a hand. 손 세탁. Hand laundry function. So kind of lightly you can touch your clothes lightly like hands. So 손 세탁. So 손 세탁 function. 손 세탁. Okay, next one is 란제리. 란제리. This is not jelly. Lingerie is underwear. If you want to wash your underwear, you can choose this lingerie. Next one is 표준. Maybe I guess you might use this function many times. Why? This one is standard. Standard, 표준. 표준. 표준, standard. Next one is 전략. 전략 is saving something. 삶음, boiling. Boil clothes, boiling clothes, it is very weird. But in Korea, when old era, it's a few years ago, just 20 years ago, 30 years ago, we usually boil underwear in the pot with hot water. With the gas range or on the gas range, is it strange? You would never think. But if we boil some underwear, then we can make it much clean. So if you wonder that kind of feeling, so you could use 전략 삶음, boiling, 전략 삶음. Next is 합섬. 합 is mix and gather together. 섬 is some kind of textile. 합섬, maybe I think mixed textile. So each cloth has poly something, and then 80%, the other cotton, 20%. This kind of mixed textile, you could use a 합섬. but I think I prefer to use standard function. Normally I use a 표준 standard. And next one is 행금 plus 탈수. 행금 더하기 탈수. 행금 is rinse. 탈수 is 탈. Taking out 수, water. 탈수, taking out from the water. So rinse. And if you want to drain the water from the washing machine, you could use this one. And then 배수. 배수 means, of course, you can take it out the water. So we study about lots of function. Here, next one, let's go here. This one is, if I use 예약 is reservation. Reservation is 예약. If you want to if you want to use your washing machine 7 a.m. without bus, normally you wake up 8 a.m. At the time you can set up 예약 button, 예약 reservation washing machine. You could use 예약 function. So this one is 예비, previous setup. Right before starting main laundry. So previous, it's too much dirty clothes. So you can use this one, 예비 세탁. And 본 세탁. 본 세탁 is the main laundry. So if you want to start, 본 세탁 is main laundry. First time, previous laundry, and the main laundry, and then rinse, 행금. And drain the water, 탈수. Drain the water. 배수 안 함. No action. 배수, drain. I don't like to drain water. If you want to use this water, if you want to clean up your toilet one more time, if you want to use this water one more time, so you can use 배수 안 함. But normally, maybe you can pass this function, right? So, 배수 안 함, don't do that. Okay, next there are 4 buttons more. So this one is you can control the temperature. 온도 is temperature. Laundry, temperature. 세탁, 온도. 세탁, 온도, right? 세탁, 온도. So there are different Celsius, 95 Celsius, 60 Celsius, 40 and 30, and 냉수. There is a saying in Korea, 냉수 먹고 속 차려. So, 김치국 먼저 먹는다. 냉수 is a cold water. So don't drink cold water first. But I don't, how can I explain? So anyway, 냉수 is a cold water. So most of the time, I recommend to use ice water. That's why if you use a hot water, maybe you can get a utility price. You should pay lots of utility fee. So I prefer 냉수, cold water. Okay, next one is 탈수, taking out the water. There are 탈수. 탈수 is 강, 중, 약. 강, 중, 약. 강, strong drain. If you want to drain your cloth strongly, you can choose this one. 강, 중, middle drain. Middle percentage. If you want to drain your water from your cloth, just a little bit half of percentage, then you can press this button. You can choose 중, 약. So maybe if you choose the 약 button, you might need lots of water with your clothes. 약, 강, 중, 약. You can choose control. But sometimes maybe, if you use 강, maybe it is possible to harm your clothes, textile a lot. So maybe middle Maybe I think Middle East might be fine. And next one is 탈수 안함. I don't like to waste lots of water. So I want to use something that I want to keep lots of water in my clothes. Then you can choose this one. 배수 안함. Oh, okay. Just you, maybe you will not use this function. Just middle or strong and weak. 추가 선택. 추가 선택. 추가 additional 선택. Choice. Additional choice. So you can before starting main laundry, then you can choose 예비 세탁. Previous laundry. 조물락조물락. And 헹굼 추가. Rinse one more time. And then 구김. 구김 is wrinkle, lots of wrinkle. 방지 means prevention. 구김 방지, you can, if you don't like wrinkle, clothes, textiles, you can press this button. I like this function, 구김 방지. That's why I don't need to use iron. Right? Okay, so next one is finally 시간 단축, last one. If you don't have enough time to do laundry, then you can use this function. 시간, time, 단축. Shorten. You can shorten wash time. You can press this button. So is it easy? You can use Korean washing machine. Enjoy. Thank you, everybody.